Most people use Microsoft Planner by dragging tasks around in the board view, assigning them, updating progress, checking deadlines. But when you want to know what's slowing your work down, that view isn't very helpful. You end up clicking through task after task, trying to figure out who's behind or which bucket is overloaded. There's a much faster way. And I must know, since I've been helping millions of professionals simplify their work with Microsoft 365 for years now on this channel. And this is one of those tiny changes that can bring your work back on track in no time. So if this resonates and you want the full playbook for using Planner alongside Teams, To-Do, Outlook, and other Microsoft apps without the chaos, check out my Microsoft 365 Productivity Masterclass via the link below. Now here's what to do. Open any of your Planner plans via Teams and look at the top. Next to the plan's name, you can see 4 different options to view your plan: Grid View, Board View, Schedule View, and Charts View. Board view is the default column-like layout. And grid view shows your plan in a long list, and schedule view in a calendar, and finally there's charts view. This is where we want to go. So click it and you'll see your plan open in a completely different way. Instantly, you'll see a complete visual overview of your plan. No individual tasks except on the sidebar and maybe overwhelm, but just high-level oversight. So in the first chart, you'll see the status breakdown. How many tasks are not started, in progress, late, or completed. Right next to it, the bucket view shows which parts of your project are overloaded. You can immediately spot where the bottlenecks are. The great thing is that the buckets, of course, adjust based on how you define them in the first place. And next to that, you'll see tasks by priority. How many are urgent, medium, important, or low, as well as their status. Below, you can see the assigned to chart, showing which team members have the most open or overdue tasks. If someone's workload looks unbalanced, you can click directly on their name to see their specific tasks and redistribute them later on. You can also hover over any section to get a quick count or just to highlight what's most interesting to you in the moment. It's like an instant status report built directly into Planner. In the right pane, you have a list of all your tasks on cards that you can view in detail. But you can even change this view and group differently via the drop-down in the top right corner. In addition, you can also filter by different attributes such as priority, assignment, bucket, or label, such that all charts will immediately reflect only the filtered tasks and details. What's great about Charts View is that you get a bird's eye view of your entire plan. This helps if you're managing larger projects or a busy team and want to see progress at a glance without opening every single task. You can instantly spot where work is piling up, which buckets are falling behind, and who might be overloaded. It's the fastest way to understand what's really happening in your plan and project and where your team might be getting stuck. Now, if you like this tip and want to learn more ways to use Planner efficiently, not just to manage tasks, but to actually drive progress, watch this video next. It's packed with simple but powerful planner tricks that can save you hours.